Today we're just going to do a quick video on 4 windows, and I'm also going to do another sub video in there of the frost that we like to do in the bathrooms. It's an opaque white that allows light to come in and still, have all the natural light in the bathroom, but obviously we need some privacy for these bathroom windows. So enjoy the video today, and again, like and subscribe. Thank you. See in this bathroom in this house that they have a nice window here, and we still want to let light in this bathroom. So you're going to watch me install the white opaque frost.
We call it Tint Xpress, and as you can see, they came here and did a good job. It doesn't obstruct our view, and it makes the room a lot less hot. And you can tell pretty much immediately when they did the downstairs. It took 5 minutes, and it's a lot cooler in here.